Howdy. It's Sunday after all, so why not take a look at the sun? And obviously, there's something going on. Spectacular eruption. Yesterday, astronomers in Europe witnessed the most spectacular eruption of solar cycle 25 so far. It was a spine-chilling moment for me, says Mehmet Ergün, who photographed a massive spray of plasma from his observatory in Dreisen, Germany. Yeah, that's the size of the Earth compared to the eruption of the sun. And this was probably the biggest eruption I have ever seen, says Ergun. And such events cannot be planned. I was lucky to be looking when it happened. Many observers noted the rapidity of the blast. Giorgio Rizzarelli of Trieste, Italy, says it lasted only about 1 hour. Fast prominences like these are uncommon. From a movie I made, I estimate its speed was comparable to that of the solar wind. Yeah, anyway. Dennis Put of the Netherlands says it was changing so rapidly, which made it very spectacular. NASA Solar Dynamics Observatory captured this beginning to end movie of the blast. What exploded? We don't know. The blast site is hidden behind the sun's southeastern limb. Helioseismic maps of the sun's far side suggest a large sunspot. Now what else? Maybe located at the base of the spray. If so, it will turn toward Earth in a few days from now. Now let's check out some pictures. Filipe Tosi. Does it work? I don't know. Yeah, seems so. Yeah, that's rather spectacular. And again, we have Earth for size comparison. So, I thought I'd go quickly over to the European Space Agency, ESA, and check out about the CME tracker here. And obviously, this is unstoppable. This is just a continuous loop. You cannot do anything. Maybe if you pay, I don't know. This is the first, and now it's the second, which is very fast, and it goes in basically two directions. And it creates something like a halo. Yeah. Creating a massive bubble. There might be a shock wave. There is quite likely some kind of a shock wave. Maybe it seems to even impact Earth then as a while. In a while. The edge of it. Which could be interesting. It doesn't seem to be, at least here is nothing really yet visible. We are still here. 25, which is rather low, even though this is going up somewhere. We don't know yet. But anyway, I thought I'd go to Iswan, check it out by myself. Yeah, it's a little bit of a mess here. There are several windows open. Let's start off with Lasco C3. Press play. Yeah, this, I don't know. There might be some minutes missing because I did it some half an hour ago, but I think we can see something going on here. Yeah, it's a bit more north. But it's a rather quick eruption, and then the other one on the other side. Yeah, and I cannot really zoom in, since if I zoom in more, I cannot scroll anymore back and forth. So Lasco C3 is much more, or much farther away than C2, which we have here, which means it takes a while for the eruption to Let me explain. That's the occulter disk, and that's the size of the sun. So if the satellite is more far away, the distance from the center to the edge of the occulter disk is much greater than here. In other words, here we can see it much more quicker erupting here because the distance is much shorter. Now that's really quick. Also the other one. They are both very fast. But we also have to think about the time frame. So here it starts at 10 o'clock in the evening. I think it's also every 12 minutes there should be a picture. 12, 24, 36 would be the next. 36. Yeah, and then there is missing. Half an hour at least is missing. No, it's 28 minutes or something. Then we have again 12, 24, 36, 48 should be the next, yes. So there's a half an hour missing in this. But there's also other tools like the SDO. And I really try to find the eruption. I think it's here. Now I found it. Yeah, I think it's this one. There's towering filament just beside it here. That's amazing. In a way, it doesn't look like much here. There's this glowing thing here. See now? Yeah, so that screenshot we can zoom in here. Maybe we could even try to enhance this a bit. Let's just take this and this. And then adjust the contrast. Then maybe the light, brightness. Let's go with this. Yeah, that's interesting. And somehow it reminds me of some kind of volcanic plasma phenomena. Maybe there's even some twisting visible there. So that's a screenshot of the screenshot. Let's see if we can do anything to this. No. And the other way around? Yeah, it doesn't, I don't know. Yeah, it's really hard to draw, but maybe these are, in a way, twisted filaments which are connected to that thing. I don't know. But the thing is, this somehow looks like I just mentioned the volcanic plasma phenomena. Let me search a picture for you. I think it's this one. More than a year ago, Fuego, Guatemala. And there was a sunspot there at the same day or time. And especially this thing here. So I had this screenshot, the enhanced version, zoomed in version. And I turned it 90 degrees and made a new collage out of it. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe in a different stage of that, they would have more in common. So that's the sequence when this happened. That's the first picture. There's nothing really visible except for this two maybe dark spots, or at least one. And then it ignites. These are just screenshots. There's no enhancements made to these pictures or whatsoever. Yeah, anyway, and then we can see the streamers are starting to shoot off. Now, anyway, this might be another, because it doesn't have the same shape. And these are all unenhanced. But here you can see how this is taking off. So it might be not a lava bomb. It might not be a lava bomb. There's also this one. This light. Let's call it light. It's going upwards. This might be a lava bomb because it's going like that. But there we have those other things which are shooting off here. There is one. Going upwards. Yeah, this we already had. And the same thing is like with these clouds here. No. These. Clouds of plasma. I don't know if they are glowing also in the daytime, but the thing is also the eruption of the volcano. There is no light, there's just this ash plume, and if it would be night, there would be some light. So we don't know. Or I don't know. Yeah, that's another volcano. Some other plasma phenomena. Semeru? Yes. Semeru volcano. some type of a plasmoid here as well. Very strongly enhanced. And that's also, as you can see from a live stream, the quality isn't the best. But it's taking off from the volcano. And I think this is Fuego. No, this is La Palma, I think. I don't know. Maybe Fuego. Yeah, now I've been thinking about that stuff for some time already. Made one or two of these collages. There is some, stuff to think about. Agong volcanoplasmoids. Which is this one, which is here. And this one is just turned 90 degrees. In order to make it look like a tornado. See? And this wind structure is from the La Palma eruption. Yeah, here's a better comparison. You can take a look at that. That's amazing. That's amazing. But anyway, this could be continued for a very long time. I think I leave it here. Originally I was talking about the sun, but I drifted off. Sorry for that. Thank you. Bye.